How do I split a list into equally sized chunks? How do I split a list of arbitrary length into equal-sized chunks? See how to iterate over a list in chunks if the data result will be used directly for a loop, and does not need to be stored. For the same question with a string input, see split string every nth character. The same techniques generally apply, though there are some variations.
Here's a generator that yields evenly sized chunks. For Python 2, using range instead of range. Below is a list comprehension one-liner. The method above is preferable, though, since using named functions makes code easier to understand. For Python 3. For Python 2.
Something super simple. For Python 2, use range instead of range. I know this is kind of old, but nobody yet mentioned numpy.array_split. Result?
Directly from the old Python documentation, recipes for itertools. The current version, as suggested by J.F. Sebastian. I guess Guido's time machine works, worked, will work, will have worked, was working again. These solutions work because, iterable, n, or the equivalent in the earlier version, creates one iterator, repeated n times in the list. Isop_longest then effectively performs a round robin of each iterator. Because this is the same iterator, it is advanced by each such call, resulting in each such zip round robin generating one tuple of n items.
I kjølen tar til N-året, det er funksjonelt oppstriding.